Okay, we are going to unbox, open, and look at our new Lulzbot Mini that just came in and compare it to our older Lulzbot Taz 4. In the box, we found the printer packed very well and these two bags. In this bag, we have the manual. We also have the checklist for kind of telling that it worked. We also, in this other bag, have cables and tools. We also have this sample print, which kind of just shows what the printing looks like. Okay, now that we have it on the bench, some differences that we noticed right off the bat is, well, it's obviously smaller. Another difference that we noticed is better wire management. It also has an all-metal frame, unlike this one, which has plastic corners. The rest is mostly metal. It has no LCD, which is this little thing, kind of tells the stats. It has auto leveling right here, sensors with this, better extruder, more advanced, newer. This one's kind of older and bulky, this one's smaller and better. We're probably gonna put mods on it, like this one. We have lights right here, and we might put lights right here or some other kind of thing. Now that we have it all out, we're going to fire it up and compare them printing the same thing, but you're going to have to wait till the next video to see that.